In this video, I'm going to show you how to create this amazing glass effect with counting animation in CapCut Desktop. And this is really simple to create, so watch the video to the end. So, let's begin the tutorial, and I will show you how easy it is to create a glass effect and how you will use it in CapCut Desktop. First, let's build our background, and you can use any background you want. So I will add this grid background, then extend the duration a bit. Now I will herd to blend under the basic tab on the attribute panel, then I will reduce the opacity to about 18%. Now I will add this gradient background and extend it to match the grid background. Then I will go to blend and reduce the opacity to about 28%. Now, this is our background, and if you want all these assets, then let me know in the comment section. Now, let's create our glass effect. First, go to the Sticker tab on the Media panel, then under the Shapes tab, add a square shape to the timeline. Now extend the duration to match your background. Now resize your square shape to how you want it to be. Then use these dots in the shape to create round corners, so just click and drag inward to create the round corners. Now under the Vector Image tab, scroll to Fill. Here, use this slider here to decrease the opacity to about 22%. Now, select your shape, right-click, and create a compound clip. After creating your compound clip, select it, then go to Mask. Select Add Mask and click on the Firm Strip Mask. Now rotate your mask to about -146 degrees, then open it up a bit. Now use the feathering tool to feature the edges a bit. You can play around with the feathering until you get what you want. Now that we have created our glass effect, let me show you one way you can use it. So, I will show you how to create this counting animation with your glass effect in CapCut Desktop. First, let's add the YouTube logo to the timeline. Then, I will resize it a bit and place it at this side of the glass effect. Now I will head to text and add a default text to the background. Now I will type my channel name right here. Then change the font to Impact and then resize it and place it beside the YouTube logo. Now I will extend both the logo and the name to match the background and the glass effect. Now add some animations to both the logo and the text. So let's select the YouTube logo, then go to Animation. Now you can use any animation you want, but I will use the zoom out animation for the logo. Then for the text, I will use the slide right animation. Now move the text to where the logo animation ends. Then move it below the logo animation. Now right-click and create a compound clip. Now go to Mask, click on Add Mask and select the Split Mask. Now rotate the mask to 90 degrees and move it this side. Now let's create the counting animation, and for this you can use either ChatGPT or Claude for this, so just input this prompt and make sure you get a downloadable SRT file. Now after the SRT file is generated, download the file, then import to CapCut. Now add the SRT file to the timeline. Now make sure all these spaces have been closed for smooth animation. So now, go to the last text. Then extend it a bit. Now select all the text, then change the font, and I will use Impact for this. Now place it in the glass effect, then increase the size a bit. Now go to Color, then select any color you want, and I will select yellow for this. Now highlight the text and create a compound clip. And you should be getting something like this. Make a duplicate of your counting animation. Now open your compound clip of the duplicated clip, then go to Color and select a different color. So I will use orange for this, and you can use any color you want. Now select the orange text, go to Mask, click on Add Mask, and select the Split Mask. Then rotate it about 180 degrees. Now feather the edges a bit. And this is how you can create this amazing glass effect, and counting numbers like this is CapCut Desktop. So if this video was helpful, then give it a like and also subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video.